AI is often framed as a model race, bigger models, faster models, smarter models. But over time, model access becomes a commodity. The real advantage shifts to something else: data. Because in the AI economy, the companies with the best data don't just build better tools, they build moats. Here's the key idea. AI capability is not only about how powerful the model is, it's about what the model can learn from, what it can improve on, and what it can be trained or tuned to do reliably. And that depends on data quality, data volume, and data uniqueness. Public data is available to everyone, but proprietary data isn't. Proprietary data is what companies collect through their customers, their operations, and their distribution. It's the real-world signal that competitors can't easily copy. And once AI becomes embedded into products and workflows, that signal compounds over time. So as AI spreads, two things happen simultaneously. First, generic model performance improves across the board. Second, differentiation shifts from having AI to having better inputs. In other words, everyone gets access to the engine, but not everyone has the same fuel. This is why the AI economy is likely to create separation between a small number of companies and everyone else, because data advantage compounds. A company with more users collects more usage data. Usage data improves product quality. Better product quality attracts more users. More users create more data. That's the loop. It's a feedback system, and feedback systems produce winners. The second reason data becomes the moat is domain specificity. Most real value in AI won't come from general chat. It will come from specialized systems inside industries. Finance workflows, healthcare documentation, supply chain optimization, customer support automation, enterprise decision-making. These domains have rules, edge cases, and compliance requirements. General AI can help, but specialized AI becomes more reliable when trained or tuned on domain-specific data. That's where proprietary datasets matter. If one company has 10 years of transaction histories, customer interactions, and operational logs, it can build systems that competitors can't easily replicate. Not because the model is secret, because the data is. Now there's a misconception worth clearing up. Data advantage is not only more data, it's better data. Quantity matters, but quality matters more. Messy data creates messy output. Biased data creates biased output. Unlabeled data creates unreliable results. And low-trust data increases risk. So the strongest data advantage is not just collecting more, it's building data systems that are clean, structured, and connected to real workflows. This is why companies that already have strong enterprise infrastructure often adapt faster. They already have data pipelines. They already have governance. They already have systems integration, so they can actually turn data into usable AI output. Smaller companies can move faster in product iteration, but they often lack large proprietary data sets. That pushes them toward dependency, using the same public models and the same public tools as everyone else. Over time, that becomes commoditized. And commoditized products struggle to defend margins. This is where distribution comes in. Distribution is the ability to reach users at scale. Companies with large distribution networks, platforms, enterprise relationships, built-in user bases can deploy AI features quickly, and they can collect feedback at scale. That feedback becomes training signal. Training signal becomes performance. Performance becomes stickiness. Stickiness becomes a moat. This is why platform companies often win, not because they invent everything first, but because they can integrate and scale faster. And scaling produces data. Now zoom out. This data advantage isn't just a corporate story. It's also geopolitical. Countries with strong digital ecosystems, large consumer platforms, and enterprise cloud infrastructure generate more data. They build more AI talent. They deploy AI faster. And they build stronger AI companies. This can widen global gaps, because the countries with the most digital infrastructure will produce the most AI feedback signal, and the most feedback signal tends to produce the best systems over time. But there's a limit and a risk. Data advantage collides with privacy, regulation, and trust. Governments are increasingly restricting how data can be collected, moved, and used. Data sovereignty rules, privacy frameworks, industry compliance. These rules matter because they can slow the feedback loop, and trust matters too. If users believe their data is being exploited, they resist adoption. Companies then face a trade-off: collect more to improve the system, or collect less to preserve trust. The winners will be the firms that can improve AI performance without destroying user trust. That means better governance, clear permissions, transparent policies, and secure data practices. So what does the AI data advantage mean in practical terms? It means AI markets won't be perfectly competitive. They'll be clustered. A small number of firms will hold strong moats. Others will compete in the application layer, but margins will be thinner. The most durable companies will combine three things: distribution, proprietary data, and integration into workflows. Those three factors create lock-in, and lock-in creates pricing power. If AI becomes embedded in everyday operations, switching costs rise. Companies don't replace systems easily when those systems are connected to their data and their workflows. This is exactly why the AI economy may concentrate faster than people expect. Not because models are magical, but because data and distribution compound. So if you want to understand which companies pull away in the AI era, don't only watch the model announcements. Watch the ecosystem. Who has the distribution? Who has the proprietary data sets? Who has the workflow integration? Those are the companies that will improve fastest, scale widest, and defend margins hardest. In the long run, AI is not just a model race, it's a data race. And the firms that control the best data will shape the next decade of productivity and the next decade of economic power.